How to use Rednote application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, launch the Rednote app. Now the first method is create an account on Rednote. Now tap on other login methods. Now select Facebook or Google. Now tap on agree. Now select your Google account. Now tap on continue. Now wait for some time. Now select your gender. Now select your age and tap on next. Now select your interest. Now tap on start exploring. Now if you want to allow your contacts, simply give the permissions. If you don't want to, tap on don't allow. Now tap on the cross icon. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the follow tab. Now on this tab you can follow two different peoples. Now after following, you can tap on explore. Now on this tab you can find videos from the different creators. You can also tap on messages tab to message with your followers and friends. Now to create a video, simply tap on the plus icon. Now give the permissions. Now select the video you want to upload. Or you can also record the video, simply tap on the camera. Now give the permissions, tap on the record button, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.